To prove that I am a man. Dot's lead is broken. Dots have chewed off my hair, but don't think I'm worried for problems. I have a plan. I have this heater. Where can I plug it in? Space. Heater. Space. Heater. Space. Heater. Space. Heater. Space. Heater. Space. Heater. Space.
This one's my hardest